The Great Assam School Shakeout Mock Drill was conducted at pmshrischool Kalatoli Kathmandu Anchalik Senior Secondary School on the 29th of October at 10:30 a.m. Under the guidance of the Assam State Disaster Management Department, ASDMA. The program aimed to create awareness among students and staff about the safety measures to be followed during an earthquake. At exactly 10:30 a.m., the school bell rang continuously as a signal of an earthquake. Immediately, students and teachers followed the safety rule of drop, cover, and hold on. After the mock tremor stopped, a fire safety demonstration was conducted by the SDRF team from Boko Fire Station, led by Officer Mridul Das. The team demonstrated the correct use of fire extinguishers and explained important measures to be taken during fire emergencies. At the end of the program, Mr. Robil Hussain, nodal teacher, gave a vote of thanks to all stakeholders, including the evacuation team comprising class teachers from classes I to 12, the first aid team, rescue team, communication team, and all others concerned for the successful accomplishment of the event. The entire program, conducted under the supervision of the Assam State Disaster Management Department in collaboration with the SDRF. Boko Fire Station helped promote awareness and preparedness among students and staff, reinforcing the message that preparedness saves lives.
Bel matalo. Ekadda dor wala kare. Line up thaka.